Network Entertainment.
Kapatid, are you still waiting for the perfect time to save, to invest, or to start your business? Itong katotohanan, perfect timing never comes. And if you wait, you will stay broke and you will stay poor. Yan ang katotohanan.
Hi, I'm Chingitan and you're listening to Chink Positive Podcast, where I aim to equip you to become wealthy and debt-free. Teaching you on how to save, budget, get out of debt, and invest. Let's get into the episode.
Hi there, this is Chinkitan, your pambansang wealth coach. Welcome to, again, our podcast episode for Chink Positive. Kumusta ka na? Sana naman na in this episode, ma-enlighten kita and I would like to share with you one of the biggest traps na nakita ko sa karamihan ng tao for waiting for the perfect time. You know what I mean, di ba? Yung start savings, pag mataas na yung sweldo ko, I'll start to invest. Pagka ready na ako, I'll start the business kapag 100% na prepared na ako mentally and emotionally. Or if not naman, tsaka na lang ako pag magpapakasal, kung may 1 million na ako. Nako, kapatid, pagka kinita mo na yung 1 million, ma-realize mo kulang. And then you go to 2 million, 5 million, kulang pa rin. 60 years old ka, single ka pa. Eh, kung totoong ready ka na 100%, paano kung di dumating yan? Di ba? Sa totoo lang, baka mauna pa yung Christmas bonus mo kaysa perfect timing na hinihintay mo. So, let's break it down while we wait, di ba? Ask ourselves na talagang, what is costing us? How much do you need to prepare yourself in order for you to take action? Alam mo, ang reality is this. Perfectionism or perfection is an illusion. Alam mo, you will never be good enough. You will never be ready until such time that you really take action. Meanwhile, while you're waiting for you to be prepared, life goes on. Bills keep on coming in. Inflation keeps on eating up your money, di ba? And opportunity keeps on passing. So tandaan na, ito lang po. If you are a follower of mine na matagal na kapatid, perfection is really expensive. But progress is profitable. Alam mo kasi, ang goal kasi natin sa buhay, it's not about perfection, achieving perfection. Ang goal natin sa buhay is all about progression. Ulitin ko. Diba? The goal is not perfection. The goal is all about progression. Yung mga successful people, they don't wait for it to be perfect. They started messy. Diba? They start small. Nagkakamali sila, natututo sila while they are growing. It's just like while you're driving, hindi mo na kailangan ng ways for every single street bago ka bumiyahe. You start the car, you figure it out along the way. Diba? Ang tawag natin yan, learning by doing. So, let me discuss, tayong dalawa lang. Diba? Bakit ka parating nag-wait? Okay, honestly, real talk tayo. Number 1, fear of failing. And what if it didn't work? Come on, lahat naman tayo nagkakamali, di ba? Mistakes are teachers, they're not ghosts. You shouldn't be afraid of it. You should learn from it. Number 2, overthinking. Di ba? Research ka ng research, compare with other people, pero wala ka namang ginagawa. Or number 3, baka fear of judgment. You worry what others will say. Di ba? Ang question, ito lang, sagutin mo. Bakit? Sila ba magbabayad ng bills mo? Hindi, di ba? Or later, is the better mindset. At saka na lang, again, procrastination. Tsaka na lang ako mag-iipon pag malaki nakita ko. Tsaka na lang ako mag-start pag ready na ako. Paano kung di ka makapag-start, kung di ka ready? So, every time when you delay, you're losing time, you're losing money, you're losing opportunity. And trust me, you know what's the biggest cost in your life is lost time. So, if you're out there right now and you're saying, sige, Chinky, I'm willing to start already. So, anong gagawin mo? Ito lang. If you have an idea, if you have a plan, start small. Kahit 100 pesos na kung mag-ipon ka. Kung gusto magnegosyo, di ba, mag-umpisa ka kahit 500 pesos na business buy and sell lang. Di ba? Kung gusto mong matuto, like for example, di ba, mag-enroll ka. Start small. Learn. Number 2. And then once you start small, focus on action, not on the outcome. Tanungin mo sarili mo, di ba? Ang goal natin, hindi kumita. Ang goal natin, matuto. Dahil pag natuto ka, kikita ka. And then 3rd, I'm not yet good enough Ulitin ko, hindi mo kailangan may perfect to get started. Kailangan mo lang to get started in order for you to be perfect. Di ba? Don't underestimate yourself. Number 4, celebrate small wins. Like for example, kumita ka yung 100 mo, naging 100. O, edi, congratulations, na double mo, 100%. Clap for yourself, di ba? And number 5, learn and accept mistakes. Part talaga ng journey yan. Hindi ka naman robot, di ba? Hindi ka naman perfect. So, sulat mo lahat ng pagkakamali mo and learn from it. So, here's my challenge for you. Gawin mo this week, itong challenge na ito. Ano isang bagay na dinidelay mo hanggang ngayon hanggat di mo pa ginagawa? Again, start small. Kahit na maliit. Kahit sablay, basta simulan mo. And I hope if this episode made you think, di ba? And really made you feel guilty in a good way. Please share this podcast with a friend na alam mo nagpo-procrastinate, naghihintay for the perfect timing. Tatandaan nyo, huwag kayong maghintay for the perfect moment. The best time to start is what? Yesterday and today. The second best time to start is now. So, stay consistent, stay positive, and stay Chink Positive. Thank you very much for tuning in. I hope that you like this episode and please do subscribe at this channel. Tatandaan, to every problem, there's always a solution. If you're not part of the solution, you're part of the problem. Always Chink Positive. Bye.
The opinions of podcast creators, hosts, and guests are not necessarily reflective of the official stance of the Pod Network Entertainment, its hosts, or other network programs. The content created by the people behind the podcast is personal and not meant to harm any religion, ethnicity, group, organization, company, or individual.